Hi Colonel, this is Charlie. I just want to show you the code that I wrote because I only copy pasted it on Schoology, and I feel like I need to do a little bit more explanation, and I think I got disconnected, or I don't know what happened in class. So I'm going to explain it now because I think only looking at Schoology is going to be a little bit confusing. So wait, first of all, this is the code that I wrote. Okay, so I'm gonna run this, click start, and so it said, welcome, this is a roulette table. I picked 37 instead of 00 because it's easier to randomize. And I was going to do all these methods, but at the end I only did straight up, row, and odd. So I did these three methods. So first of all, I'm gonna do straight up. So for straight up, you pick one number out of these 38, I believe, 38 numbers. So I'm gonna pick one of them. I'm gonna pick 20, let's say. And then how much money you wanna bet each time. So I'm gonna bet $1 each time. And this is going to run until 928. So I'm gonna lose all my money on 928th trial. And the maximum I ever got is 331. So this also records the maximum number that you have. So I'm gonna click start again. So this time I'm gonna do row. Oh my god, row. So so for this roulette table, I can pick all these rows. If you pick the first row, you're gonna get, I think it's 1 to 17. I forgot. I think I wrote it in. I think it's 1 to 17. And for these it's 1 to 11, I believe. Okay, so I'm gonna pick a row. I'm gonna pick the 8th row. So let's say I wanna do still $1 each time. And this is gonna keep running until 868th trial. Maximum is 174. That's maximum I forgot. And then at last I'm gonna show you odd. So how much money I want to bet? I'm gonna bet $2 this time. So this is gonna play until 592. Maximum is 128. That's the maximum. So out of all these three methods, I feel like row is the best method, because for straight up, even though you might get, if you're lucky, you might get a lot of money out of it, but most likely in a 1,000 trial, you're gonna lose all your money, because it is a lot of trials, and you're gonna most likely lose all your money. For odd, still, I think usually you reach 1,000 trial, but you're usually gonna lose money as well. So for row, I think it's right in between. You're gonna take some risk, but you're also gonna have a great chance to reach that 1,000th trial. So I think after like multiple attempts of clicking start and just doing it all over again, I feel like when I do row and I bet $1 or $2, I think that's the best method to go to. And here's the program. I'm not going to explain a lot for the program, so if it is straight up, and this is, I want the user to input, and if money is greater than 0, so if you still got money, and this is the random number generator. So here it's 1 to 35, so times 35, otherwise you lose money. And then I create a list. So I'm gonna print money and the times that I attempted, and then later I'm going to get the maximum out of all the money. So I'm going to be able to print the maximum number out of that list. So basically this is the code, and I think I explained it pretty well. So thank you.